feel by winning this?
Overwhelmed with the response. It was a very close fight, but I'm happy that people have shown their support to a new face, and I'm going to make sure that I live up to the expectations. Very, very happy. Thank you.
You want to give credit to anyone for this victory?
For the victory,
Yes.
first of all, it's my late dad. He's no more with us, but he has worked really hard. Then, of course, the NCP party and our very own MLA, Churchill Alemao. Miss Nelly Rodriguez, she was the ex-ZP and she is my mentor. And my very dear people of the Colva Constituency who has really, really stood out in this pandemic, came out to vote for me and show their love and support. I'm really happy and I want to thank all of them for this media. Thank you very much.
What do you plan in the race?
The plans I will reveal in the future. As of now, let us just sink in that we are through and let us plan out with the people what are the expectations and accordingly we will work.